Without any doubt, pores are the storehouse of acne, and they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. One common type you may have noticed from time to time is a blackhead, and to remove them, one of the most popular and widely applied methods is using nose stripes. And there is hardly anyone who hasn't used nose stripes at least once in their skincare routine. But do you know they might be harmful to your skin, especially when it comes to caring for sensitive skin? Are they doing more harm than good? Before you apply your next stripper, let's take a closer look. Pore stripes come with a variety of ingredients to clean your blackheads. Each stripe contains cleanser mixed with water to give a glue-like adhesive texture. So, whenever you pull it out from your nose, it can simply come up with the existing blackheads, dirt, and oil. Also, these strips claim that they remove dead skin cells lingering on the top layer of skin, temporarily improving the appearance of pores. But how far does this work? According to dermatologists, pore strips rarely keep blackheads from recurring. Yeah, you heard that right. Stripes will never clean your pores thoroughly. Instead, it keeps the dirt and oil remaining in the deep layer of your skin. Let's figure out whether it causes skin damage or not. Hearing this, you might be thinking about some of the visible damage on your face, right? But nose strips are unlikely to cause any real damage that will clearly be shown on your face. Instead, they may cause redness along with irritation, especially when you have sensitive skin. Also, it's extremely harmful to those who have skin disorders like rosacea or psoriasis. This is why skin specialists recommend those with sensitive skin should avoid using pore strips. Additionally, these stripes can't remove more than just the blackheads, which is not a deep cleansing process. Also, whenever you try to remove the pores, they could become exposed to irritating dirt and oils. It may cause broken capillaries. The answer is yes. But before that, you have to know what broken capillaries actually are. These are the smallest blood vessels of your skin that help in the proper circulation of blood. When you break them from your skin surface, they appear as fine red threads of blood under the skin and become quite visible on your nose. Therefore, when you pull the pore strip off, no matter how slowly and carefully you're doing it, you unknowingly damage the first layer of your skin. Yeah, it's true. You simply pull the skin around your nose, cheekbones, and chin, which are the most sensitive part of your face. And then comes the irritation and redness. Sometimes your skin irritation may last for a few days, and you will hardly be able to apply any other skincare products like serum, moisturizer, or oil. On the other side, the redness indicates how brutally you have damaged the first layer of your skin surface. Not only are nose strips bad for those with sensitive skin, but they can also worsen other skin conditions. So here are some of the alternative options to nose strips. No-rinse peel-off masks can effectively remove blackheads that clog the pores. As the mask dries on your face and becomes tighter, it easily extracts dirt, bacteria, blackheads, and whiteheads. As per our recommendation, you can check out the Lacto Calamine Face Peel-Off Mask. It comes with activated charcoal and vitamin E for pore cleansing deeply, removing blackheads and whiteheads to give you fresh and healthy glowing skin. You might be baffled about whether a pore vacuum works or not. In short, yes. Since these vacuums make the process of unclogging pores easier and faster, dermatologists recommend these devices. Pore vacuums are actually good, as you can easily clean your dirt and oil without the use of any harmful chemical products. As a bonus, we're suggesting you CLEASO Pore Vacuum. With 3 adjustable suction levels, it's suitable for different types of skins. Its advanced vacuum absorption technique can easily handle different skin conditions and deeply cleanse up blackheads, removing dirt and grease. On the plus side, it reduces dead skin and fine lines and massages to give you a healthy glow. Another effective option is applying a chemical exfoliant on your blackheads. And salicylic acid is quite known to penetrate beneath the surface and exfoliate the lining of the pores. This chemical agent can easily break down stubborn blackheads and whiteheads, refines the texture of your skin, and reduces congestion for a blemish-free complexion. You can check out Paulas' Choice. This BHA exfoliant contains salicylic acid to remove dead skin cells and also cleans pores from the deep inside. Besides, it reduces existing blackheads and prevents new ones from growing. To sum it all up, treating blackheads can be a long and complex process, and there are things you can tweak in your daily facial cleansing routine to help you. Try to clean your face daily, scrub once a week, and get monthly deep cleansing facials with face steaming. Lastly, when nothing works, visit your reliable salon to get a professional cleansing treatment. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.